What's good, guys? In today's video, this is day 109 of growing my red-tailed catfish in my Pacu for one. I gotta definitely do a water change on this tank. I'm gonna do one today, but I feel like it's because of that sponge filter though. But I also feed these guys like flakes still, so that's part of the reason why. But this guy's getting big still. I wonder what's the biggest size Pacu like ever. Just because this guy, he'll probably be in the pool pond like the next 3 to 6 months. So probably sometime in 2023 in the new year. But that'll be crazy though, cause I can actually throw pellets out there, cause he'll eat them. Cause he like to eat pellets. So the Oscar's not really pellet friendly when it comes to being outside in the pool. So they like shrimp and stuff like that. So that's just what I feed them. But look at this guy. Try to get him to move. But yeah, I do need to clean the sponge filter. Cause as I'm shaking it off, all these particles and stuff just floating in the air. Yo, I kind of gotta be mindful of that. Yeah. For the most part, I'm gonna see if I can try to get him to eat something today. I haven't fed the Pacu yet, so I guess we could start with him first. The Pacu. I gotta see if he can eat something though. Gotta give him some pellets. Cause if not, he gonna eat whatever I get a catfish. But I don't know. Catfish been trying to eat pellets too lately. He'll chew all of them down, literally. One by one. I think that's why he getting so big though, cause I'm feeding him so much. He just won't stop eating. Ate that. Now he has no more. Now he looking. Comment down below what you think about this guy. I'm about to throw some more in. Watch. I'm gonna see how much he can actually eat before I can actually like get him to not be full, like to be really full to where he can't eat no more. Yeah, I think they're like skimmers. Anything at the top, they'll like try to eat. There's probably like 6 of them. I really want to see how many he gonna eat till he's full. Catfish over there chilling. Uh-oh, here he come. I wonder if the catfish eat some of these. That'll be a good question. But I'm not too sure. Just chomps them down. I know y'all probably like, this is a huge feeding. But I kind of really do want to see how much he can actually eat. Comment down below what you think about this guy though. His color, I kind of like his color pattern though. Red belly Pacu. But I like how the black and the red kind of combine on the fin somewhat. So that's a nice color. But I don't know. He might be done eating though. No, he is not. So I kind of never really made a video just about the Pacu, but I guess today is the day. So I guess today's vlog would be day 108 with the Pacu, seeing how much food will it take to get him full. Clearly he not stopping. So they do grow fast. Still going. I wanted him to turn around and show you guys his teeth. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get him something right quick. Tune in for that part. I'll see you when I get back with his little music. Alright guys, so I'm back. I got Mr. Catfish a worm. A nice juicy worm for you guys. I'm trying to give y'all some content. But first I kinda wanna see if the Pacu is full. If the Pacu is full, then we're good to go. Cause I don't want to take the worm. Let's see. Uh-oh, action. Dang, is that the end of the worm already? That was quick. Not gonna lie. That was a big worm though. Now, he's active. He's like, that was good. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna feed him no more. For right now, to after I do a water change, because this is kind of filthy. I kind of don't like this, so I'm gonna clean it up in tomorrow's video. You will definitely see a crystal clear tank. So for the most part, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see more of my videos. Comment down below what was the best part of this video. Was it the catfish eating that huge worm, or was it the Pacu eating like 60 pellets? I never knew. Didn't even know it was possible he could do that. But for the most part, thanks for watching. Tune in for tomorrow's video, and peace.